If you've ever wandered through the western United States, chances are you've seen vast areas dotted with circular clearings, the handiwork of harvester ants. These nests can sometimes reach over 10 meters in diameter and cover over 10% of the land. Their nests are truly remarkable, shaping the landscapes they inhabit. Early naturalists marveled at these intricate clearings, initially considering harvester ants as detrimental to vegetation and ecosystems. However, close observation revealed a surprising twist. Vegetation actually thrived on the rims of these nests, leading to a re-evaluation of their ecological impacts. Research by ecologists showed that the areas surrounding these nests boasted thicker vegetation. Ants' detritus adding nutrients to the soil and reduced competition from neighboring plants are likely key reasons for this thriving vegetation. Most importantly, these nest rims are crucial during challenging times like droughts. They exhibit higher growth and recovery rates following disturbances. This suggests harvester ants help maintain ecosystem stability by buffering vegetation against environmental stressors. In a recent study published in the Environmental Entomologist, my co-authors and I examined the effects of grazing and drought on vegetation around harvester ant nest rims in northern Arizona. We found nest rims continued to support increased vegetation growth despite these stressors, serving as refugia for plants. However, we found a catch. Some invasive species like bull thistle and tumbleweed also took advantage of these nest rim habitats. These non-native species compete with native plants and degrade habitats. This raises questions about the role of harvester ant nests in potentially aiding invasive species. Yet, it's not all bad news. We also found native beneficial species like sunflowers and grasses also thrived on these nest rims. It seems ant nests aid whatever is on site and able to grow next to them. So what does this mean for restoration efforts? Could targeted seeding of native plants or removal of invasive species on nest rims help restore healthy vegetation communities? Harvester ants might just hold the key to restoring native plant ecosystems.